Alright, so here's the bridge. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Paul. In this video I'm going to be flying the DJI Avata. This is an FPV drone. I'm going to be flying it down the Detroit River to the Gordie Howe Bridge, the new bridge that's being constructed between Canada and US. This is the longest cable-stayed bridge built in North America. And when completed, it will cost around $6.5 billion. So it's a very large and expensive construction project, and it's transforming the city where I live in. This is the only Avata flight I've done at that bridge. However, I did do 2 air-to-S flights, so I'll post that in the next video. Also, I did start a new YouTube channel. I wanted to split off the content related to gardening and beekeeping, so I started a new YouTube channel. I'll post a link to that if anybody's interested. Yeah, so enjoy this flight and see you guys next in the next video. We'll do an air-to-S flight. Alright, so here's the bridge. Beautiful day. It says no camping, no picking logs. Alright, let's get started. Something I'm really looking forward to is when the bridge is completed, it will have bike lanes and a path for you to walk across the bridge. So the view should be spectacular from the middle of the bridge. A cable-stayed bridge is one of the most beautiful structures human beings build. Across the border, what you're seeing right now is Zug Island, which is an industrial area built at least 100 years ago. A lot of steel, maybe steel production and petroleum conversion. The island is notorious for the pollution it produces. On the Canadian side, we're going to be passing by Windsor Salt Mine, which is a salt mining mine. pretty close. Alright, so that was the flight. All done. Got pretty close.